The unique Camaro sound falls on the shoulders of Jay Pistana.
We spent years developing the internal components developed in order to make each Camaro sound distinctive.
The team must satisfy two groups on different ends of the auditory spectrum: officials concerned about noise levels and customers who want their car to sound like a vicious, snarling Camaro.
We use this car for exhaust tuning development.
After measuring the sound, they take the data back to a listening lab.
We subjectively made the decision that not only was the exhaust a little too quiet, the induction system was a little too quiet.
An air induction system feeds the engine and increases the velocity of the airflow while also reducing its turbulence.
We siphon off a little bit of the sound, and it goes through this small 1-inch diameter tube.
While some sounds are good, others are not. To find objectionable noises, the team uses a climate-controlled road simulator that ranges from -20 to 120 degrees Fahrenheit.
So you want to hear the exhaust, you want to hear the engine, all the good stuff you love about Camaro, but you don't want to hear things that, rattle or sound loose.
The torture test helps engineers pinpoint the exact location of unwanted sound. The team reunites the dual-mode exhaust to remove all the unwanted rattles.